Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I got a special request. We got the Spigen Slim Armor Pro for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 90 bucks. Alright, so I'm going to make this quick. Spigen Slim Armor Pro. Let's unbox it and see what it looks like. Okay. Inside. Let's see, you get a little installation pamphlet. Plug it and file it. A little bit of foam, flick of the wrist. And this is a two-part style case. Now, just like the regular Spigen Slim Armor, you got your air cushion interior for shock absorption. Okay. Got a little protection for your hinge. And a little frame for the front. Okay, so let's go ahead and slap this one on. Matter of fact, I'll slap it on the Mystic Bronze first. Let's see, now this is my first time slapping this on. Now, there's some pieces that you're supposed to peel, but I think I'm going to rock this for good on my black one. But I just want to see how it looks. So let's slap this on. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see how this looks. All right. Now, here's how it's going to look. Okay. Now, check this out. That hinge works for the back. Okay. Okay, so far I'm feeling this. Now I'm going to take this one off and put it on the correct way because I want to see how it's really supposed to work. Okay, so let's take this one off. Let's see now. I don't think you have to use the sticky pieces if you don't want to. But let's just peel these off. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit of sticky material under that. So we'll peel these off. Okay. Bong, just like that. Let's get a little wipe down. Okay. Let's slap the outside layer on. Okay. Lock it into place. Now, it's a lot to peel off on this. We'll do the same thing on this one. Okay. 90 bucks. Take your time. Don't be like me. Okay. Anger levels increasing. Frustration building. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, think I got them all. And of course not. All right, let me peel these out. Okay, so I just finished peeling those off. Let's slap the outer layer on. Okay, tighten everything up. Some nice presses. Little pressage. Let's get a wipe down. Bang. And here it is. Now, your main display is a little bit recessed. So now you can feel comfortable putting your phone face down. Okay, nice textured feel on this. Smooth polycarbonate back. Let's check the buttons, make sure everything works. Okay, easy access to your fingerprint. Okay, no problems with that. Okay, now let's open this up. Bang. Now look at that hinge rest just like that. Real nice. Now you're getting some protection. Now you don't got to be scared to take your Z Fold outside. Now I love the black on black. No fingerprints on this one. Camera's recessed. Let's check wireless charging. All right, there's your wireless charge. No problems with that. Let's open it up. Now, your phone is not going to be flat on the table the way it used to be. It's going to be raised up a little bit. Let's see. Get a nice fold on this one, though. If you're inclined, do some typing like this. No problems. All right, so 90 bucks on this one. All right, let me just put my... fingerprint sensor is super fast on this one. Let's open it up. Okay, try that again. Look at that beautiful live wallpaper. All right, you see what it is. Let's see which one is on this one. Okay, let's try this one. All right, this one is the Statue of Liberty on one side. Let's see what's on the outside. Statue of Liberty on the outside. This one is, let's see. Okay, Statue of Liberty with the fireworks on the inside. Now, on a side note, a lot of people have been asking me what's up with the full review. I'm about to catch a flight in a few minutes, but when I get back, I'm doing a roundup video. So all of the products that I didn't get a chance to do a full review, that's the Galaxy Z Fold, Galaxy Tab S7, Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, the Microsoft Surface Duo. All of the products that I didn't do a full review on, I'm going to do a full roundup video. But just in case, I don't want to keep y'all in suspense, this is the dopest phone out. There's no questions, no debates. This is the best phone out. It's obviously super expensive, but for me, I just love it. I love using this phone. I love rocking on Instagram. Take it over to the Grand Bong just like that. Full screen. All right, you know what I'm saying? Full screen, I love that. Close it up. Now, one of the things that I love about this phone is the new display. All right, that's what kills this phone. Well, actually, that's why this phone kills the original Galaxy Fold. Remember how small that display was? It was barely usable. Now, this is a real usable display. I say you're rocking out, open up your phone, bang, full screen. All right, you know what I'm saying? Buns right in your mouth. Real nice. Nevertheless, I digress. Also, okay, I just happened to pull this up. When I come back, I got these in my house right now. All right, so when I come back from vacation, I'm getting directly into the Bump Box Biggie Smalls versions. All right, stay tuned for those, maybe on Monday. Anyway, Spigen Slim Armor Pro for your Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is a major go. I know it's $90, but if you spent $2,500 on the phone, you can spend $90 on the case. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. One more time, look at that. Nice protection for your hinge. There's your cutouts, 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 cutouts. Beautiful. Like I said, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.